The city I came from, which is Hargeisa, is the city I love the most. The only place I love to live forever. But we have one problem, and if we don't solve this problem, we cannot be a competent city. We cannot be a progressive city, and we cannot create an inclusive economy that will thrive or will uplift everyone. The problem of clanism exists in our society. We cannot outcast a part of our society for the sake of their clan lineage. If the Prophet ﷺ created a brotherhood between Bilal bin Rabah, who used to be a slave before Islam, and Abu Bakr as-Siddiq, who used to be a slave master before Islam, what kind of argument we have to outcast people that we have the same color, the same religion, the same ethnicity, and the same background? Discrimination or ethnocentrism should not be tolerated by our communities. We have to give the dignity back to our communities that has been isolated for the past 135 years. We cannot progress as a community if we don't create an inclusive economic and social system that will uplift everyone, regardless of their clan, regardless of their age, regardless of their race, and regardless of their social status. My name is Faisal Ali Hussein, and I'm running for the mayor of Hargeisa. I understood all the problems that our society faces. I'm a problem solver by profession. I was working as an engineer for more than 15 years. I've solved complex problems, whether they are real-time problems or other problems. I've been passionately researching about and reading about how a nation could develop. I have the skills, the passion, and the love for our city to create a more dynamic, a more progressive, and a more inclusive Hargeisa. I promise that I will solve all those problems. So trust your vote and be part of my team. Thank you.